Guys, so let's discuss about Sarcopterygii in today's video. So this Sarcopterygians have been originated from Osteostracans during the period of Devonian, about 400 million years ago. So this Sarcopterygians includes coelacanthi, lungfishes, and the tetrapods. And these fishes will be having a fleshy fins and so they are supported by bones which are homologous to the bones of the vertebrates. I mean, tetrapods limbs తోటి similar గా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట bones. And if you see them, they'll be having the lungs, which is well developed, and the swim bladder is also present. So this will be helpful for the buoyancy. At the same time, they can also breathe the air. So in an oxygen poor environment. So ఎప్పుడైతే water body లో when there is very less amount of oxygen, so they go to the air and respire the air అన్నమాట. And they have complex skull so that they'll be having wide variety of feeding things, like they'll be preying on the fishes, invertebrates, and plants. So this is all will be supported by the complex skull. And compared to the other fishes, they have very low metabolic rate so that they can stay even in a low oxygen levels. So when the surrounding water body kani or when the surrounding air, even if it is having very less amount of oxygen, still the sarcopterygians can survive. And they have variety of reproductive strategies, like they'll be reproducing either internal, either external fertilization may occur, and they have a unique kind of parental care is also present. And this sarcopterygians have diverse group of fishes. Among that, coelacanths and lungfishes are presently the living fishes. So this is the diagram of coelacanth fish. You can see this is the thymus gland. This is the head and the kidney part, and these are the gills. And if you see, this is the spleen, and this is the complete gut part, and these are the skin and mucus glands. So these are the fins as usual: dorsal fin, ventral fin, pectoral fins, pelvic fins, mouth part, eye part, everything are as usual. But if you see, these are the special characteristics which are being firstly seen in the fishes, like spleen kani, thymus gland kani. So these are firstly present in these fishes. So coming to the classification, so first is Actinistia. So this subclass of Actinistia includes all the coelacanth fishes which are presently living. So they have identified two kind of coelacanth fishes. One is West Indian Ocean coelacanth. So this is the diagram of that. Next is the Indonesian coelacanth. So this is the West Indian Ocean coelacanth diagram. Let's move to the next slide. Next is the dipnoi fishes. So this all the dipnoi fishes are commonly called as lungfishes. So they are also called as salamander fishes. So they'll be having the bony fishes characteristics anamata. That is, they are able to breathe air, and they have the lobe-finned fishes are present, and they'll be having the lobe fins as well as internal skeleton is also present. So lungfishes to speciality ఏంటి అంటే they have the lungs. They have developed the lungs so that they can even breathe the air. I mean, dissolved oxygen కాకుండా they can also take the gaseous oxygen అన్నమాట. So that is the major development strategy అని కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు, from the fishes to the amphibians. So this is the one major developmental activity. So this is the diagram of Queensland lungfish. You can draw any diagram. You can go through the diagrams from the Google also. Last is tetrapodomorphs. So they'll be including as four-limbed vertebrates and kuda antaru, because they are a clade of vertebrates, and these are the extinct relatives. They are still not there. So they are the relatives of the tetrapods and kuda cheptam. So we also call them as fishopods because the body will be looking like a fish, but they'll be having the four limbs. Four-limbed animals will be there. So they are half fish and half tetrapods. You can see the diagram also. Tiktaalik is the example. So they have the modification to fins are present. They have the humerus, which is convex, head is present. So they have the glenoid fossa, that is the socket of the shoulder joint is present. So this is the classification of the Sarcopterygii. So Let's revive again. So this is the diploid actinestia. This is the general characteristics of Sarcopterygii. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.